Okay, I get it. I seen and I heard all the complaints, which kind of blindsided me about the disappointment in the upcoming Air Jordan 12 taxis. It wasn't really bad till I actually sat back and looked at them, and now I really do see why y'all feeling disappointed, Nike, about one of the best Jordan 12s of all time. So we gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back into another one of the ones. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to come pull up, see what we talking about. And yeah, this one right here, I just had to make the video because I seen so many comments of people complaining about it. So this is going to be that first initial video of, you know, letting everybody know why people are not excited about the Taxi 12s. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you run them likes up for your guy, the vintage. Every single like counts. This shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So y'all do those great things for me, and we're gonna jump right into this content, man. All right, so if you guys do not know, we did an early look over the Air Jordan 12 taxis a couple of days ago, and when I tell you I was overwhelmed with all the comments regarding these, not a lot of good comments. There's a lot more bad comments than good, and as you guys can see, y'all can see, bro. After I, I think I was a little too excited about getting the taxis again, and I didn't really check it out. But yes, guys, the shape is pretty bad, bro. It looks like an L. It literally looks like an L. It's super skinny near the toe box, and they could have just kept it like the cherry guys. Why did they keep it like the cherry guys? You guys can see the differences in the height in the toe box compared to these, and it's almost like they choked up on like this portion. I don't know what happened, but yes, guys, I do see exactly the differences. I see why people's upset. I'm like, hold on. How people talking? I seen one comment about the shape. Next thing you know, I go scroll and refresh the comments, and I see a lot more people actually talking about the shape on them, and I do see it. I see them, bro. They look like some banana boats. They look like some boats on your feet, and I honestly do agree. I can't even cover it up. I can't try to give, Nike too much credit, because why didn't they just keep it, a normal cut? Like, why didn't they just give us a little bit more height? And I thought my mellow 12s, I don't feel like getting them, but I thought my mellow 12s was just, bigger, because I wore size 9.5 now. So I'm like, okay, maybe just a little bit bigger. It looked like that because it is a bigger size. But nah, the mellow 12s came like that, along with one of the most anticipated Jordan 12 releases all year. For the last 4 or 5 years, people have been highly anticipating the taxi release. And yes, bro, people are highly disappointed in the shape. You guys let me know how you feel about it. I know some people not going to complain too much about the shape because they're just excited about the sneaker. That's kind of where I am with it, because I don't think you're going to be too worried about the shape when you got them on feet. I think when you throw them on feet, it's going to buff out. But actually looking at them, bro, yes, that shape is not all that great. Like, just keeping it real, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and grab the 2013 yes, bro, like the 2013 taxi shape was A1. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It was definitely A1. Don't mind this, the crease in this as an older pair, but you guys can see the differences in the shape, bro. Like, look at the difference. Them joints is perfect on my left, your right, and these look long. They just look long near this portion. They should have kept it a little extra more. I don't even know how to describe what they did differently besides kind of peeping the mid section of where, the toe box leads up to the lacing system. You guys can see, bro. Y'all see it, right? I'm not the only one that see this. And again, I seen all the comments. I know exactly what y'all saying now. So with that being said, with the Taxi 12s, coming looking like banana boats, I need everybody down below in the comment section to let me know how you guys feel about them. Is the shape something that's gonna make you not grab the shoe? And there was a lot of people like that in the comments saying, yo, I'm not getting them because they look crazy. And you've been waiting all this time, and it's almost like you're forced into buying them because next time they're going to drop. And who's to tell what the quality and what the shape is going to be like when he's dropping another, 10, 15 years? Because we waited a long time from the last drop of the taxi back when I was in high school, man. But all in all, I'm still super excited about the shoe. I'm not going to complain or harp on the shape too much because I've been wanting a crispy pair. And like, when you look at it from certain angles, you see how they look like bananas. But then, you know, we look at it from a different angle, from like an aerial top view, you know what I'm saying? It ain't that bad, but it is bad. It's definitely bad. But I need all my OGs in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about them. Is it a bad thing? Is it all right? Is this how the OGs was looking, so you gonna grab them? Like, you know, it's always some of those, you know, gripes and complaints, like the steel 10s. Like, nobody like the toe cap, you know, they came like that back in the day. So, you know, let me know how you're feeling about the new retro of the Taxi 12s, because I'm super interested in knowing, you know, kind of, you know, there's people out here that watch my channel that have been buying shoes for like 40 years, you know what I'm saying? As long as Jordan been in the league and they're retired, they done got all types of different versions of Taxis, Breads, you know, all those OG colorways. So I need to see you guys comment specifically so I can see, you know, kind of the breakdown of how these joints was hitting back in the day. And I gotta show them again, bro, because I still am super excited about having them. The fire red Air Jordan 5s in the collection. These will be releasing the 13th of September, I want to say. You know, these right here, I think a lot of people are going to grow into wanting to get them. You know, it's the fire red 5s. It's not a collab. It's not like a super, it's not the Tokyo 5s. It ain't nothing like that. But the fire reds are definitely one of the ones, trust me, and they won't sit for long. I know they're going to sell out eventually. People are going to come out of nowhere grabbing these because of quality, the shape, everything about these joints is just smacking, bro. 2-3 on the side, Nike on the back. These could potentially, these definitely gonna be top 5 for me, top 5. And I know it's kind of hard to say when you're already talking about undefeateds, brick by bricks, taxis, and stuff like that. Yes, these are in my top 5. I guarantee you that. And I wanted to grab my Alma on my Air 12s to kind of check out the shape too. These is different. I don't think I can compare it to these, because these are kind of slimmer on the toe box, but they still don't look like boats, bro. They still look like boats. So probably a bad one. I probably should have grabbed another pair of 12s, but you guys know what I'm saying. The shape is pretty bad, you know, but I know it's gonna be a lot of people out there that still go out there and grab the taxis, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Need everybody to subscribe. Everybody hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. And I need everybody to run them likes up. Every single like counts. We got a crazy video tomorrow because we do have the Cavestone Air Jordan 4s releasing. Another top contender for me in terms of personal favorites of the year. And this is size 10. And I cannot wait to do this on feet, because you're gonna be like, yo, he's doing it on feet in a size 10. Yes. I think I've been a size 9.5, size 10 my whole life, or, you know, as long as I've been an adult, and I just did not notice, and I didn't realize it, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. So, Cavestone 4s tomorrow. Let me in the comment section, gonna be grabbing them. Super sleepers, but they're so damn fire, man. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. When all this being said, we're gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.